How sad is this? We haven't taken Bam Bam out for the last 2 months. Look at this. Oh my God. The van is so dirty. We can barely see.
Wait, we're going camping. What for dinner and what for lunch, honey?
Last minute camping trip, so too lazy to cook. We just get lunch and dinner at Albertson. 99.
Very convenient food for camping, honey.
Yeah.
Which town are we at now, honey?
Carpinteria. I think this is downtown. We're going to the beach. Almost there.
You know where we're going, honey?
He said that we have to go back out, turn right. Don't go back out.
We're gonna turn right here.
Yes. And he said we should see the sign that says Santa Rosa. I know we got the beachfront, so it has to be.
That must
here,
be it.
right?
That says 358.
Is that say 358?
Yes. Oh my God, the campsites are really tight. I feel like I'm in a parking lot, honey.
Well, this is parking lot camping. We got a really nice campsite compared to all the other ones. Last minute, we booked it yesterday, and this one was available, and it's at the very end. So we only have one neighbor. As you can see, if we were in the middle, then there'll be a lot of people. So not too bad, actually. We got lucky. Gonna hook up.
Yes, hookup.
I know, just for electrical though. We'll just dump before we leave. So we're not gonna connect the macerator in yet, huh?
Nope.
Okay. Oh, honey.
What? I don't know where it is.
Where's your, oh my God.
I thought it was a spider or something like that. Looks
Oh
like corroded. Kind
I
of
know,
scary, huh?
honey, can you just go get the, what is that called? To protect the surge protector. Oh my God. Come on.
I'm not like you, honey.
Lazy, where is the surge protector? It should be the
As long
same
as it's
bag, honey.
Blue here? Good. Okay.
Not sure. Just don't burn the van.
Boom! What's that, honey? That's going to be a very big bonfire.
I know. No, I think they just make it for fun. I think you can use the wood here for your bonfire. Can you? I wonder how cold the water is. Let's go test it out.
Go for it, huh?
It's cold. I don't know how they can swim.
No bikini weather?
Too cold. I mean the water, but it's very nice now.
We need to eat a late lunch.
Let's go eat.
So, what are we grilling and barbecuing for lunch, honey?
I'm frying fried chicken.
How are you frying it?
Magic, I just did. It's all done.
Oh my God. How to make a salad. You buy it from Albertson.
Everything comes prepared. Thai chili mango. That sounds good, huh? This is the first time we try this. See what it tastes like. This is only half, so we're just gonna use everything. Just use half, and save the other half for dinner.
Wow, that looks pretty good, honey.
Right, healthy and then unhealthy. So, yeah, chicken salad with chips and salsa.
No table, honey.
Just have to sit on our bed. Okay.
After lunch, we're supposed to be walking along the beach, but she is taking a nap right now. While she's taking a nap, I can do some work here where we put the Laguna table here. We installed it here a couple months ago, and it's perfect for me to get some work done. I think she is awake. How is your nap, honey?
I needed that nap.
I thought we were going to go walk along the beach.
Later. We are inside 358.
I think that is the best site.
Best side, at the corner. We're gonna have a nice sunset view over here. As you can see, these sides are close together. This size is okay to 369.
It looks very close together, honey. What do you think?
I think it's pretty good for families with kids, because when you park right here, they just play right behind your RV, right on the sand right here. So it's pretty convenient though. But if you're looking for some quiet time, no. Look, lifeguard headquarters. There's a little trail here. Beautiful sunset. It's another part of the campground. It's called San Miguel. So it has these campsites, but up to the ocean. But as you can see, it's not right on the sand. That's why it's a little less expensive. I think it's $60 instead of $80.
Getting ready for dinner. What's for dinner, honey?
Since we cannot have steak, I'm going to give you steakhouse wedge salad kit.
That's not the same.
It sounds like you are eating steak.
I feel like a rabbit now.
I got you the meatloaf.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
I know.
Comfort food.
Yes, and it has mashed potato and green beans.
All right. Dessert?
Cheesecake.
Yes. Any alcohol?
I don't know. We were not ready for this trip, so I don't know what's in the fridge. Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh,
Vodka.
we always have vodka.
That's it, I think.
That's it. Red Bull. And water. That's all we have.
What happened?
Like I said, we haven't gone camping for so long.
Why?
2 months, huh? Because we were busy selling our house. So finally, everything's done. Now we can go camping. But we're homeless now anyway, so.
Wait, you mean van life full time?
Van life? No. I wish.
No.
No.
We're just moving, right, honey?
It's just moving. Not too bad for Albertson dinner, huh? It says microwave for 5 to 8 minutes. Let's do 5 first. Sunset dinner. This is one expensive sunset dinner.
What are we having? Meatloaf
Meatloaf and French fry. Oh no, sorry, fried chicken.
and a lot of salad.
Yes, steakhouse salad.
And why would you say this is an expensive dinner? Sunset dinner?
It's because we have a sunset when we eat dinner, and it's one expensive campground.
Ah.
It's $88 per night. Okay, we're gonna have butter.
Meatloaf.
And scalloped potato, green bean. It does look legit. Let's see how it tastes.
How's Albertson's meatloaf, honey?
Guess it's okay. It tastes like meatloaf.
Is it dry?
You know, look, at the end it's dry. The other end is not dry, but one end is really dry.
Oh,
So-
okay. Let me guess. I'm eating the dry end.
Yes.
And what kind of salad is this, honey?
This is your steakhouse salad.
Okay. And what do I have here?
Some Thai mango salad.
Mm,
It's
looks
pretty good.
pretty
We
good.
had it for lunch.
Oh, okay. How is it?
It's good.
Is there any steak in there?
I don't think so.
Dang it.
How's your salad, honey?
As good as a salad can be,
Yeah, very good.
I guess.
Cheesecake and vodka? Honey, those are your favorites.
Dessert time, huh?
Wait, I think I poured too much for myself. Just try. You already ate some.
How is it? Good?
Good. Sweet as always.
The whole thing? Wow. Want a second shot?
Too strong.
Second shot, honey. Go for it.
No.
What are you doing, honey?
I'm hitting myself.
More women thing?
More skincare routine.
Well, good morning, honey.
Good morning. Morning coffee with an ocean view. It's actually worth it if we get this site again for $88 because we are at the end and we're by ourselves here. It feels like we're by ourselves in the morning if we just look this way, like this. That's why we still have this one closed. We have a neighbor over here. But it's nice. Quiet morning.